It's my first time using it, so I'm going to use the 20% coupon that's automatically already in there. This will all go. Welcome to China. Thank you. Right, this is actually cheaper than checking it in at the airport. I said it was delivered 9 hours earlier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SF Express, which is what I recommend as a foreigner traveling across China, especially if you have luggage to move. If you have big boxes and luggage and everything like that, you need something that will definitely help you, right? Check this out. I got my luggage right here. I have to send all of this out. And the best way to do that, because it's safer than the Chinese version, which is a lot more affordable, but in case you lose something and break something, it's uninsured. SF Express is insured. You can just buy some affordable insurance and make sure all your valuables get there. So everyone recommends to use SF Express while you're here. We're going from East China all the way to South China. Right? We're going from Ningbo to Shenzhen. We're going on a flight tomorrow. So today I'm asking the guys to come pick up all our luggage. That way they come after 6 o'clock, take all that stuff, they'll drive it, they'll measure it, and then they'll charge me once it arrives. I'm going to show you how to set that up and also how much it costs. And when we arrive in Shenzhen in our hotel, when we receive our luggage, the whole process looks like. You need to have either WeChat or Alipay. You can set it up both. Basically, you go into Alipay for my example, and you go into search bar and you put in SF. Once you put in SF, it's going to be searching for the mini program. And once you pull up SF Express, you just translate it to English, the bottom there, and boom, now it's in English. Today, we're sending 20 kilograms and above, send large items. So we're going to click that, all right? And then it's going to ask you for your permission to set it up. It's going to translate all of that, and we're going to agree to the user policy. I think you need to have a Chinese phone number for this one as well. So if you do plan on coming here, make sure to at least get a SIM card from China or have it set up and obviously download your VPN. That way you can navigate. Make sure it's turned off for this part because you want to be in the Chinese network. Over here, it's going to ask you to, put in your address, select what your information is. So it's already saved here. So I'm just going to go back. So I'm just going to confirm that that's the address where we want it to be picked up. And then in order to go to the recipient where the drop off will take place, where you're sending it to deliver it, basically I would open up your trip.com app or your email. At the top here, I'm going to be pasting the address of the hotel. I'm going to click identification so I can locate it. I'm going to copy the name in Chinese of the hotel from trip.com confirmation booking. And I'm going to paste it here at the top. And I'm going to say identify. With that, it's asking me for my contact information. The first one is your name, so I'm just going to put Basil. The second placement is asking for your phone number, so you're just going to put in your phone number. Company name, of course, I'm going to put it in English because they already have the Chinese location. So I'm just going to copy that from my Gmail or booking.com confirmation, and I'm going to paste it right over here and say it's a hotel, and I'm going to confirm. So now it's saved in the address book. So that's the one I'm going to click. Shenzhen Nuyu Smart Hotel. Perfect. When is the estimated time of arrival? When it should be picked up? I'm going to say in the afternoon at 7 o'clock. Item information required. I'm going to put in 50 kilograms. And if there's anything more, obviously it's way more, they're going to just charge you afterwards. So I'm going to put in clothing, 50 kilograms. Then you take a measuring tape and you find out your dimensions. So I have 5 items with me right now. I'm going to click confirm. All right, so this is basically telling you about the insurance policy. So I completely understand that. I'm going to confirm it. And so here it's going to ask you for your maximum coverage. For 6 yuan, you can cover up to 2,000 yuan worth of luggage or boxes that's being transferred. You can go to a minimum of 1,000 yuan worth of your items, personal belongings, coverage for 2 yuan, which is less than 40 cents, 30 cents, or you can declare a little bit more. I'm just going to go ahead and say 10,000 just to see how much it costs. For about 10,000 yuan, about 2,000 Canadian, 1,500 US, it's 50 yuan or 10 bucks, $7. So I'm just going to put that in there just to make sure it's nice and safe. It's my first time using it, so I'm going to use the 20% coupon that's automatically already in there. If I want it to be picked up today between 6 and 7 p.m., about roughly 50 kilograms. Actually, I'm going to be more accurate with this one. I know the guy said something. I'm just going to put on 120 kilograms. It shows me the large item tomorrow. It'll be delivered by that location. for this price, right? Or you can choose after tomorrow, 12 p.m. at noon for that price. I'm going to say because I'm flying out, I don't need to rush it. I could have it delivered in the afternoon tomorrow or sometime after that. No problem. I saved the most amount of money for 400 yuan, less the 20% discount, 360 insurance included. I'm going to read this page. Good with me. Select a delivery method. We got delivery, no upstairs. So basically just deliver it at the front door. Take it up to the elevators, or if there's no elevators, climbing stairs. Each one, as you can see, is a bit more expensive. It starts out more affordable at 360 for what we're talking about today. Take the elevators upstairs. That's pretty simple. You can always take an elevator. And lastly, climbing the stairs is a little bit more labor, so it makes more sense. It'll cost you. But yeah, no special delivery upstairs. You can just leave it at the reception downstairs at the hotel. And at the bottom here, I can click details. It'll break down everything. I'm going to click place order. Order placed successfully. So I'm going to hang tight, see what happens when they come. All right, so once you have submitted your request for your package to be delivered, at the bottom of the app, you can click track. You'll be able to see your information, what city it's being picked up, your full name, Shenzhen. If you click that, it'll take you to this screen where it shows you the map of China and the details as well. In addition, if you click that face, that's going to be the person that's assigned to you, you'll be able to learn a little bit more about him. And so then if we expand this, once it translates, it'll show you some information about when he operates, like a business card essentially. But in case you need to communicate with them, you can always click this and scan this QR code, or you can screenshot it, right? To open it up on WeChat, scan QR code, and then from there, you'll be able to add them, which is really great. This way, you get to see who's assigned to you and that your application for your luggage is received well. And from there, we just have to wait for them to pick it up. 5 items. We got a box, a large suitcase, my gym bag filled with stuff, another suitcase, and another suitcase. So these 5 items will be shipped out.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Welcome to China.
Thank you. I love China.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You just pick it up when you assign it, and you need your passport, especially because it's between many cities. But hey, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, Chinese. Now that he's picked it up, we just open up the SF app. At the bottom again, we click the magnifying glass, and with this, you'll be able to see that there's an update, that it's coming from Ningbo city where we are, and it's in transit to Shenzhen city. And you also see the estimated delivery time. So now we can expect it in 2 days around 10 p.m. So that way you can be at your hotel in the afternoon, and that way they can deliver it to you. You can see now where he's located. He's located here. It's in the evening around 7 o'clock. So I don't expect it to be, anything complicated from here to the south of China. And you can just open up this app at any time and check where it is on its way to your destination. All right, so this is an update. It's also very important to, add them to WeChat for this particular reason, which I just found out because this is the first time we're doing it together. They've told me, okay, it's done. Now you pay 680 yuan, which is literally like $100 from here to a whole other province, a whole other city, miles away, right? It's a distance. It'll save you so much, right? This is actually cheaper than checking it in at the airport. So for 68 yuan now, once the payment is made, it can be sent away. So we're just going to make that payment right away. We're going to click on that icon he sent. I'm going to make sure it's translated. Let me pay that over here. It's actually cheaper than 680. It seems to be a discount because it's our first time, 20% off it looks like. Settle and pay at the bottom right corner. Gives us all the information. Let's pay. We put in our code. We got confirmation, boys and girls. Confirmation, beautiful. I'm just gonna message him done, payment complete.
Okay, thank you.
And there you have it. They sent us an update. We paid our bills. Now we can go check out what it looks like to receive the packages, our luggage, on the other side of China, in the far south, right next to Hong Kong in Shenzhen. Let's go. Shenzhen. Hi, did SF Express come by to drop off a few luggages about an hour ago?
嗨，大约1小时前，SF Express 过来投递了几件行李吗？
All right, so great news. SF came from Ningbo, dropped off the luggages. She said it was upstairs in front of our room. So I was very excited. So I'm just going to be showing you right now what the status looks like as we're approaching. Already signed for. Look how amazing that. Already signed for. That's excellent. Only 544 for all that luggage. See, it came all the way across from the East Coast to the South Coast. I said it was delivered 9 hours earlier. So that's very exciting. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, there it is. There it is. Isn't that reassuring? Yeah.
yeah.
So reassuring. And there's the package. Beautiful. Everything looks here.
Oh.
Let's bring it all in. Awesome. So there you have it. SF works really well across the country, and you don't have to lug all this around. It's practically half the cost. You save so much, and we're all done. So if you learned something, make sure to hit the like button. We're going to bring this all in. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That way we learn a lot more altogether as you're traveling and navigating China. See you in this next video. Peace.